So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver and you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up to get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, go ahead and use the instructions in the description down below. Again, if you signed up for Uber and you accidentally forgot to use a referral code, that's okay. You can get your cash bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. We're gonna leave the instructions in the description down below. It takes 30 seconds. Do it, get your money today. All right, now let's get on with the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. We appreciate you clicking on this video and checking out our video topic today, which is why Tesla is the best car for Uber and for Lyft. I'm giving you guys 6 reasons why Tesla is the best car for Uber and for Lyft. If you guys have not yet seen my video on why Tesla is the reasons why Tesla is the worst car for Uber and for Lyft, you can check that out too. Basically, yeah, there are some bad things about Tesla that I did kind of, spill the tea on. But today we're focusing on the good reasons why Tesla is a good car to drive for Uber and for Lyft. So before I get into the video, if you guys can do me one simple little favor and click the thumbs up button and also subscribe, because we're coming out with fresh new content for Uber and for Lyft drivers. If you drive for Uber and for Lyft and you're not subscribed to this channel, then you're just missing out on free money, because you're gonna make more when you follow our tips. Okay, so the first reason why Tesla is a good car is because for Uber and for Lyft is because you're saving a lot of money on gas. How much money do you spend driving a gas-powered car for Uber and for Lyft? For me, when I was driving, 5-6 hours a day, spending at least 20-25 bucks a day on gas. 8-hour day, do the math. You're spending around $30 to $40 a day on gas, depending on obviously how much gas costs and what your MPG is. So per week, you're talking realistically at around $100 and $200 a week on gas. This car, how much you spend on gas? $0, $0 pennies, 0 cents. What you will spend money on is electricity. If you have an in-home charger, which I do recommend, it's gonna cost you a couple dollars a day, honestly. It's not gonna cost you too much, because it's just gonna run through your electricity, and electricity is just cheaper than gas. Number 2, the number 2 reason why it's a good car, the best car, is because it's cheap. It's an inexpensive car. Well, they're not that inexpensive, but a car like this is a used 2015 Tesla Model S. This is gonna cost you the same price, guys, as a new Honda or a new Toyota Prius. So it's really not that much. And also, if you get a Model 3, even cheaper. Model 3 is their economy car. So, and yes, they do qualify for higher tiers, so you're gonna make more money. So yeah, they are a little bit more expensive, but it's a good investment because you're gonna make a lot more money. Number 3 is, let's just walk around a little bit. Your passengers will love this car. Look at that, it opened up automatically because I have the key in my pocket. It's all censored. It has so much cool technology in it. Your passengers will get in and they're literally gonna be like, oh my gosh, this is such a cool car. And you as a driver driving a Tesla, you're gonna enjoy, you're gonna have a lot more fun, because driving for Uber and for Lyft, one of the worst things is that you basically have to manage a bunch of energy in your car, which is a weird way to put it, but driving for Uber and Lyft is draining. It's exhausting, because you have a lot of people get in, and you have really happy people and you have really sad people, and it's just like a mix, and you're always constantly trying to please people. And it's not like working at a restaurant where you've given them your food and you walk away. Here, you're in a confined space with them for like 30 to 40 minutes. So if they're in a bad mood, you're probably gonna be in a bad mood as well. It's just, that's how energy works. But when you have a car like this, people's energy are naturally gonna be a little bit better, because they're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm like on a roller coaster ride. It feels like we're in a spaceship. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So you as a driver will enjoy it a lot more. Let's go through the back. It looks really cool. It has a kind of a built-in little spoiler thing. It's not really a spoiler, but whatever. You guys get the gist. It's very sleek. It looks cool. Yes, you will get a lot of head turners. Here in Los Angeles, no one cares you drive a Tesla. Whoop-de-doo. You drive a G-Wagon, whoop-de-doo. You drive this thing in Utah, people are gonna be like, oh my god, that's the Tesla Uber driver. You're gonna become famous. I know some of you guys out there really do like the clout, so if you're in Utah and you want to get some clout, get a Tesla. Alright, number 4. This is my personal favorite, guys. This is Dylan's favorite tip. Favorite reason why this is the best car. This car has autopilot. This car drives itself. You don't have to drive in traffic. Full self-driving, a lot of the new ones do have full self-driving, but this one has autopilot. Make sure you know what that means. It doesn't stop at a red light. It will stop when a car slows down. It'll slow down and keep up with traffic, speed up, speed back. You can change all the settings. That's really nice because you don't have to like always be like, it's kind of like a good safety net. And it will also follow the curves of the road, which is nice. Keep up. You can set, literally just tap the mileage rate, like how fast you want to go, how slow you want to go, the distance in between the cars. It's very high tech. I love that. Especially when driving for Uber, you don't have to pay attention as much. Yeah. Number 5, well, still pay attention, guys, but it's kind of like a good like safety, I guess. Number 5, I already talked about this a little bit, but it's more fun than a regular car. This car is really fast. Yes, it's electric on a battery, but it accelerates hella fast. So you're gonna step on the acceleration and it's gonna zoom off. Like not in a normal gas-powered car, it's gonna kind of go like take some torque. This has 0 torque. It's just fast. It's really quiet, doesn't make any noise. I don't know if, oh yeah, maybe I do have another bonus tip too. This car is hella easy to maintain. This is a famous, not a famous one, but a really good tip or a reason, because it has something called regenerative braking. This list literally could be 30 reasons why this is the best car. Maybe I should do that in a follow-up video. Let me know if you want to hear that video for another day. But it has something called regenerative braking. So anytime you step on the brake, it's actually going to produce more energy rather than on a normal gas-powered car. You're gonna step on the brake, you're gonna lose all your energy, and then you have to use a bunch more gas to get it started. By the way, guys, our merch is currently on sale. Even my camera person rocks the merch. Why don't you show them? This is my camera person. Look at that. She's even got the merch on. So yeah, I was gonna say it's really easy to maintain. A lot of these cars have 50,000 mile warranty, so anytime you're driving, any malfunctions, they're gonna fix it for free, and they're gonna give you a loaner car, usually a nicer loaner car. Yeah, so that's always really fun. They don't give you some, you know, crappy rental. If it's their fault. If it's your own fault, then yeah, you're gonna have to get it repaired. And that is expensive, so don't crash it, guys. Make sure it's not your fault if you crash it. The last tip, last reason, number 6, is that you can use it for personal use as well. When you're driving rideshare, you don't only have to use it for Uber and for Lyft. You can use it for yourself as well. You want to go to a concert, pull up in a Tesla, and flex on everyone, and then after the concert, while everyone's leaving, go do a bunch of rides of all the people leaving. You can literally pay for your concert ticket with this, because you're gonna make more money driving a Tesla on Uber Black than you will on Uber X, like 3 times as much. Instead of like 60 cents a mile, you're gonna make like $3-4 a mile. It depends on your market. I've heard some are even higher, but I don't know. I don't drive Uber Black, so I wouldn't know. So don't quote me on that. I'm not an expert. And a lot of you guys are like, oh my god, Dylan's an Uber driving guru. He claims to know all this information. I like to do my research, but I'm not perfect. I'm just a normal driver, sharing my thoughts. So yeah, you can drive for personal use as well. Another thing is that this is probably, if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, I'm thinking that you're thinking about doing it part-time rather than full-time. So if you have a normal job, let's say you work in technology, entrepreneurship, whatever, or if you work at a tech company and your commute's 30 minutes, you can literally just turn on destination filter and drive to work and get a passenger on the way. Another thing, when you're driving a luxury car, you can literally just turn on Uber Black, I know a lot of people, a lot of tricksters out there do this. It's called kind of like hacking. It's called hacking. Basically, you turn on Uber Black only, and you kind of drive around like not wanting to get rides. So when you go to work, or you know, you're just going out to the gym or groceries, turn on Uber Black. Leave 10-15 minutes early just in case you do get a ride. But if you don't, all those miles, you're still technically online, and I know people who claim those as, you know, on their taxes. I'm not CPA. I've just heard of people who do that. This is not legal tax advice. I'm not a public accountant. Talk to a CPA about that. But I have heard people who do that, who are part-time drivers. So anyways, guys, those are the 6 reasons, plus a couple of bonus ones. That's pretty much 10 reasons why the Tesla is the best car for Uber and for Lyft. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave the video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on new Uber content and Lyft content. Later, guys. Peace.